I'm excited. I am hella excited. All right. YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have something special. We have another wig. However, it is not straight hair. It is a natural hair synthetic wig. Can you guys believe it? As the title suggests, I will be reviewing the Janet Collection Amani Natural Me Hair Wig Lace. I'm ready. It's going to be very, very easy going. We're not going to be doing too much. I'm just reviewing the wig. I'm super freaking pumped and excited, and I hope you guys are too. So if you'd like to see me review the Janet Collection Armani Lace Wig, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the video. If you guys don't know about Janet Collection, you guys can check them out on Instagram. They're pretty amazing. They have all sorts of natural hair wigs as well as clip-ins. Any kind of hair you can think about, they have it. However, I chose the Armani wig because it had curls, and I've always wanted curls like that, or I've always wanted my hair to look like that without the heat and without having to let it air dry. So I chose that one. This is the wig. So let's just get into the wig. So this is what the wig is currently looking like. This looks amazing. Already loving the curls, looking natural, not shiny, at least not from here at all. So I did get it in the color 1, so that's pretty cool. But it does come in different colors. You have 1, 1B, 2, 51, 99J, OET 1B, and 30/30. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull my hair back or like braid it back or something, and we'll get on with the wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and like try my best to get my hair as flat as possible. Okay, at first I started out with just kind of thinking I could twist my hair into 4 big random flat twists. Don't do this, guys. Don't ever do this. We had some turmoil, let's just say that. However, we did fix it in the end. We are done. Hopefully my hair is flat enough. The hair is curly, so it should hide all of that. I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging. I'm so scared. It comes well packaged for sure. How long is this? I'm not sure how long it is, but this is what it's looking like outside of the net. It actually feels really, really soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, it has this lace in the front. Looks amazing. It's really matching my skin tone, so I don't have to do any color correcting, I don't think. It has a comb here in the front and another one in the back, as well as a strap in the back, and you can actually make it tighter. This is pretty cool. For a close-up, this is what the hair is currently looking like. This bad boy looks real. And it also looks like a perm mod set. So you lazy naturals out here. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on without taking off the lace. See if it fits. It is pretty tight for me. This is what it's looking like without me taking off the lace yet. But it's looking pretty cool. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace now. The lace is cut and we're ready to put this bad boy on. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and actually braided my hair because the wig wasn't fitting properly. It wasn't going flat enough. Hopefully the wig will lay a lot better this time. All right, so it's time to put on the wig. I'm scared. All right, it's a lot better this time around. Woo, Jesus Christ. How are we looking? How are we looking, guys? Tell me. Tell me. How are we looking? I wonder if we want to do a side part. Yep, side part, a lot better. We're looking hella good. Okay, I might create some little baby hairs. Let me show you. I can't stop moving. But this is what the hair is looking like. Looks super amazing on. Does it look real though? It's looking really good. I can't see it on the monitor, but it's looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some makeup and we'll see how this baby looks. We'll try to like style it and stuff. Makeup is partially done. We just have some finishing touches, but I just wanted to do the hair first before I finish. I feel like I need some baby hairs for sure. And we need to like define the part a little bit. I'm just gonna take my Fenty concealer and try to define the part. like I want to cut the bangs a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe I could just pin them. All right, I'll just pin them up. This is a cool little trick I like to do. Whenever my hair is too long, I just pin the bangs a little bit back. Then we have some form of definition. I feel like we need some baby hairs. I'm just gonna cut some out. Nothing too special. Right, that's good enough. Yeah, some baby hairs right here would be great. I'm not gonna swoop them or anything like that, but it does look really realistic right there. Let's take my hair out. Oh man, I gotta do the other side. This is just to create, you know how black people have, you know, edges without them being swooped? That's what I'm creating right now. Now it doesn't look too rough, at least not where I'm looking at. Okay, okay. It's looking so real. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Oh my God. Doesn't it look so good, so real? I went into the bedroom, right, like 2 minutes ago, and I was like, Brad, how do you like it? And he's like, oh, that looks good. I'm like, what about the hair? The hair looks good, right? He's like, yeah, the hair looks good. I'm like, it's a wig. He's like, what? That's not your hair? Absolutely, unequivocally love this hair. I went ahead and used my hot comb to kind of flatten this side because it was looking a little bit too high. And now, guys, oh my God, it looks so good. This is what the back is looking like. Forgot to show you guys the back. But isn't it nice and fluffy and just, oh. What I love most about it is that it is not shiny. It feels like natural hair. It doesn't feel super straight and it doesn't feel like super kinky. It really looks like I blew my hair out, flat ironed it, and like just put some curls in there. I would wear this everywhere, honestly. Lazy Girl Natural right over here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. All right, once again, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash the notification bell so you do not miss another upload, and also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you do. Tonight, because it is night time. Sorry. Today, if it is the, oh God, I'm already messing up. Okay, cool. Tonight, I'm about to, okay, let me just start with today. So if you'd like to see the Janet Collection affordable lace wig, lace Omani wig, right? Lace Omani wig? Does it come out this way? I can't get it out. I did get it in the color 1, right? Yeah. As well as a strap in the back to make sure that your hair is tighter. Oh my God, make sure your hair is tighter. Okay. I need to get it down somewhere. But so far, I need to get this down. My hair is too fluffy. It really feels like I put a hot iron. It really looks like I put, what did I do? Flat iron it.